I'm a hoe for Korean skincare. I'm going to try 3 products blindly. This is what I'm trying. After washing my face, I'll start with Rebloom Luxury 7 Collagen Gel Toner. Next, I'll use Tit Tot Stem Cell R5 Serum. I'll finish with Tit Tot S7 Repair Cream. This is a gel toner. This is Rebloom Luxury Collagen Gel Toner, 7 Collagen Gel Toner. Rose water is the first ingredient, and then it does have butylene glycol, so it does have an alcohol in it. Price on this is not cheap. I got this at a significant discount, but I will say that this is not sponsored whatsoever. Obviously, this is a big bottle. It's 500 milliliters. In American, that means 16.9 ounces. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It smells like roses. So if you have any problem with roses, you probably don't want to use this stuff. Initial feeling putting it on, it's gel. It's not drying out. It's a cooling feeling, but it's not like burning. I just want to warn you, the next line I try has probably the silliest name of any skincare products I've ever heard of. It's crazy. It sounds cheap and made up, but it is real and it is a luxury line. It is called Tit Tot. Tom's tits. Is it TikTok? I don't know. Tit Tot Stem Cell R5 Serum. So it has 100,000 parts per million of plant stem cell. I just Googled it to learn a little bit more about the product because, again, I'm testing it blind. And it says there it's human stem cell, but on here it says plant. So human or plant? I've got it here, so I'm going to try it. It's supposed to be anti-aging. It's supposed to be good for your barrier. It's supposed to provide hydration, and it's supposed to be calming. Ooh, it feels like a serum. It's drying very quickly. It's cooling. The third and final layer of my blind skincare trial is another Tit Tot, whatever product. It's the S7 Repair Cream. This one does have human stem cells in it. The claims on this is that it's anti-aging and whitening. Whitening is more brightening. We Americans see white and we're like, oh, but I want to be tan. No, it's not. It's just more evening out and brightening. Something else I want to add about this is that it contains peptides. And since it has peptides, you should never use a vitamin C with it because they cancel each other out. Ooh, it has little gold flecks. It's almost like a gel. There is this little guy, so you don't have to stick your fingers in it. Okay, that's what it looks like. You see the little gold flecks? Sol de Janeiro, is it the 62? The yellow one? It smells a lot like that. Oh God, it feels great. Wow. Oh my God, this feels amazing going on. This feels really good. So that's a blind test of 3 luxury Korean products. I don't want to be somebody who says they're wonderful and amazing. I do say I am really impressed with how this feels going on. Time will tell if I actually like this stuff, because you can't test it and say, oh, this stuff's so great until you've waited a few weeks. So I will post again in a few weeks, but give me a follow if you want to find out.